Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jesika. I'm in 12th grade. Today I will make a video of the procedure text for making pastry recipe. Pastry is a sweet and savory dish originating from Europe, made from flour, sugar, water, and certain ingredients. 250 gram all-purpose flour, 100 gram cold butter, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon ice water. Instruction 1. Prepare ingredients and equipment. 2. Mix flour, salt, and sugar in a bowl. 3. Add cold butter and mix until crumbly. 4. Add egg and ice water, then mix until dough is elastic. 5. Rinse out dough until thin and even. 6. Cut dough into desired shapes, for example, circle or square. 7. Put pastry on a baking sheet, grease it with butter. 8. Bake pastry in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. 9. Remove pastry from oven and let cool before serving. To serve, put pastry on a serving plate, add topping as desired, such as granulated sugar, cinnamon, cream, or pressed fruit slices, and serve a pastry warm or cold. Thank you.